Philodendron Xanadu is a perennial plant belonging to the arum family. This plant is native to Brazil, but is widely cultivated as a landscape plant in tropical, subtropical, and warm temperate climates. Philodendron Xanadu has somewhat a murky history. In the past, numerous websites have claimed that this species was discovered in the rainforests of Australia. Scientifically, that is not possible since all philodendron are neotropical and grow naturally only in South or Central America as well as the Caribbean. Not one philodendron species grows naturally in the forests of Australia, even though many have been set free in that country. This plant was originally reported to be selected as a chance seedling that arose in 1983 in the Western Australian nursery. It was thought to be a spore or hybrid and named Philodendron winterborn and protected under the plant breeder rights in Australia. It was also sold under the name Showboat. It was renamed Xanadu by the House of Plants of Australia and released as their plant of the year in 1988. Philodendron Xanadu eventually forms dense clumps up to 1.5 meters tall by 2 meters wide. It has deeply dissected lobe leaves that are glossy green. Its flowers have dark red space and may occasionally produce aerial roots. Choose a well-drained area for this moderately drought-tolerant plant. Plant with a combination of topsoil or organic peat moss mixed with composted cow manure. Water regularly, but be sure to allow the plant time to dry out between waterings. Too much water can kill any philodendron plant. Good companion plant suggestions are croton, cordyline, dracaena, peace lilies, birds of paradise, dwarf tubuchinas, and Cape jasmine, and golden shrimp plants. Species with the genus Philodendron are poisonous to vertebrates but vary in their toxicity levels. They contain calcium oxalate crystals and rapamycin bundles, which are poisonous and irritating. The sap may cause skin irritation. Chewing or ingesting parts of this plant may result in severe swelling or compromised respiratory functions.